Hello, everyone, and welcome to our very first English speaking class. My name is Ahmed. I'm your teacher. Can you hear me? Okay, fine. I shall deliver this lecture in bilingual. Bilingual means two languages. So, in this way, you will be able to understand this better. And at time, we shall move on just one language. Please turn on your cameras if you can. Don't worry, no one is here perfect, and mistakes are okay. Mistakes are part of learning, so please don't hesitate and don't feel shy. In fact, mistakes help us learn, so please relax and enjoy. This is a recorded video of my Zoom lecture, and I have skipped something like students' voices and their activities because that's confidential. So, this is a lesson one, week one, and day one. Here are our 5 easy rules. One, we speak a lot. Number two, your camera should be turned on if you can. Three, mistakes are okay if we make. Number four, use the chat box to help you. If you have any messages or if you cannot say it loudly, so you can just text me. And number five, we listen kindly when our friend speaks. So first of all, introduction. If you have to introduce yourself to someone, so you will say, "Hello, I am Ahmed." So today you will learn say hello and goodbye politely. Introduce yourself with I am, I'm. My name is. Greet people by the time of day. Meet and greet your classmates. So when we meet someone, we say hello. Listen, hello. Now you say it. Hello, good. We can also say hi. Hi is friendly for friends. Actually, hello, it is used for formal meeting. If, for example, if you work in some kind of institutions, bank, multinational companies, so you can say to your colleagues, hello. But when you talk to your someone friends, so you can say hi. Hi is used for informal, for friendly purpose, and hello it is used for formal purpose. So there are some times at the day like good morning you will use for morning time by 12 o'clock, and after 12 o'clock noon time starts. So from 12 to 1 you will use good noon, and after 1 to 5 you will say good afternoon. Even you can also say after 12 good afternoon. And since 5 o'clock till 9 you can say good evening. And after 9 you will use the time good night. 9 till morning. So when you introduce yourself to someone, so you can introduce, I am Ahmed, I'm Ahmed, my name is Ahmed. There are three ways to speak, but you will speak what is feasible for you. You don't have to copy the other one what he or she is saying, because I'm mostly those people speak who are best in English. They who they can pronounce very well. So hello, my name is Ahmed. Nice to meet you. But such as you know that we live in Pakistan, and our greeting is Assalamu alaikum. So, but if you meet someone who is not Muslim, and or formally you are meeting to someone, so you just can say, hello, my name is Ahmed. Okay. And when you goodbye to someone, when you say farewell to someone, so there are other ways as well, like goodbye, bye, and see you later. Goodbye, it is formal. Bye, it is also used for formal and informal. And see you later is also another tone, and you also can say it. So here is some practice. Person A and person B. Person A, hello. Person B, hi, what's your name? Person A, my name is Ali, and you? Person B, I'm Sarah, nice to meet you. Person A, see you later. Person B, goodbye. So here is a conversation that you can make to someone else when you meet. So look at this short talk and must practice after. So let's speak together. Hello, good morning. My name is Ahmed. Nice to meet you. See you later. Goodbye. Now it is your time to greeting. You will greet. I hope you have greeted. So after the class, you will move forward, such as you will go to a room with one of your partner. It could be your mother, father, brother, or sister, or some kind of friend. And you can make some kind of practice like this. And you also have to make practice at least 3 minutes. Okay. The same practice, what I taught you earlier. So greet, hello, good morning. Okay. My name is Ahmed. And at the last, you will speak. See you later. Bye. One thing that I want to tell you here, some of you will at the very early stage here, so they are not familiar with these kind of greetings. And some of you also know that how to greet. So they just have to follow these instructions, what I'm telling, because sometimes we miss some things. So if you will follow this pattern, this will be totally professional and formal. So now we come at the sounds. Okay. So first sound is hello, hi, how. So today you will pronounce the letter H. You have to pronounce like I pronounce. Hello, hi, how. So the method to pronounce the letter H is like you pronounce ha, hello, hi, how. And this is more important on daily basis. We shall speak and make practice one letter, because uh, sometimes you speak English but you don't pronounce the letters correctly, so it will help you to pronounce better. And when we speak English, so sometimes we have to stress on words, like when we will speak good morning, so we will say good morning. On morn we shall stress good morning. Okay. And when we come to the good afternoon, so on noon, we shall stress like good afternoon. So make it practice now at least 3 to 5 times. So this is same that you have to make some kind of practice like that. What time of day it? So you have to say that this is morning, afternoon, or evening, and what kind of greeting you will use. Okay. So if you are just alone and you cannot talk to someone, so you have to be person A and you also have to be person B. You will play the both roles. So on page 16, some mistakes that you need to be correct. Sometimes you say, me name is Ali. So it is wrong. It is not me name. Me is an objective case and it comes at the last. So the correct would be, my name is Ali. Okay. Me is an objective case. It comes at last. I, Ali, when you are introducing to someone, no, it would be wrong. The correct would be, I am Ali, or I am Ali, I'm Ali, my name is Ali. So I also have told you the times when is you will speak good morning, when you will say good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. So quick check. Can you say hello and goodbye? Can you introduce yourself? Can you greet by the time of day? Okay, so this is just a quick check. So you also have to ask him question to yourself. For homework, one, record a short voice note, just 20 seconds. Say hello, your name, and goodbye. Two, practices 5 greetings out loud. Three, bring one new English word to share next class. I will send this in you on groups. So great job today. You can now greet people, say your name, and say goodbye in English. Next class, we will talk more about you and your country or your city. So thank you, everyone. See you next time. Goodbye.